Hey, hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video. So today I'm going to talk about the karma. So let's begin our video. But before we start, like and subscribe. So let's begin. So what is karma? Karma is often described in Mahabharata or some spiritual books. Yeah, karma means karm in Hindi. What does it mean? The good or bad deeds you do to others, the same you get. Or we can say the seed you sow, the same results, or the same harvest you get. If you sow good quality seeds, the good harvest. If you sow bad quality seeds, then bad harvest you will get. So yeah, let's get to the main topic of the video. So what is karma? Actually, if you are kind to somebody else, not at that time, but maybe later in your life, you can get something very good. And those person or any other can return you the what kindness you have paid for the other person. Yes, that's all the karma. So here I begin with what first example or you may say story. Let's begin. So what happened? They left a Mohan. Yes, he was a boy. Yeah, he was a man. He was having a wife, two children, and he was in a poor family and belonged to a hut. He used to work in the somebody's landowner's what farm, and he used to earn some wages. So he was very kind and generous. People in village liked him for his honesty. So whenever a dog passes, he used to feed from his own tiffin, or when a saint passes, he used to give his all the tiffin to the saint. Yes, his wife was angry. She said that, hey, because of you, we have no food left in the kitchen. Why do you get your food to others? He said, because I believe in karma. So what happened that once upon a time, our old saint came. He said, anybody's in. His voice was very pale and working like he was very tired and hungry. What happened that when he came inside, the Mohan saw him. Mohan invited him in his hut. He said, "Hey Saint, you feel very hungry and tired. Let's do some rest. I'll bring you some water and chapatis." Yes, the saint said, "Thank you, son. I haven't ate anything from 2 days or drank water, but not eaten anything from 2 days." Mohan quickly get in the kitchen, bring some a lot of water, and when he went to the kitchen for looking for chapatis, only two chapatis were left for his own. But without a second thought, he gave it to the saint. When the saint ate the chapatis and he was about to leave, the saint offered what? He offered a golden ball to Mohan. He said, I can't take this because it belonged to you. Mohan said. The saint said, I am what? I was sent by God to give your reward for your generosity. I was taking a test. So the Mohan take the golden pot and he become wealthy. Because of his generosity, he was very wealthy. Because you give you anything to others. Yes, but remember thing you should give is of so is required for somebody. Yes, who is very needy for that particular thing, not that you are giving money to some or other people here and there only lying. Yeah. Now second story let me present. So once upon a time in 19th century in what China, in the era of dynamos means land rich landowners. So what happened that they lived a poor couple who was their pet dog. So they used to feed him from his own chopsticks, and he loved him as his own child. They do not have any child, by the way. So what happened that later, once when the old man was working in his field, the dog went around, going around some yards. Yes, he was walking some yards, and then he started digging a place. The man checked. The man went afterwards the dog to check what he was saying about or what he was indicating. When he digged the ground, he found all the gold coins. Yes, heap of gold coins. They were rich because they feed him from his own chopsticks and loved him as he was their own son. Yes, so the wicked neighbors heard this news and they just adopted that dog and they gave it nicely. The happy and the wealthy neighbors. Yes, they gave to the wicked ones, which are very bad by the way. So they gave their dog to him, and what they did that They offered a lot grand feast to the dog, but he didn't eat anything because they were very greedy. So what happened that the dog ran to a place and started digging. They quickly take up a spade and hoe. They were very excited and they were saying, "Now we will also get rich because the dog has found the previous master gold coins." Then they start digging, but when they dug, a dead kitten was there. It was producing a foul smell. The two couples were so angry that they killed the dog and buried him under a pine tree. So the what the same day when the dog was died, the previous owner of that dog, who was very kind to the dog, had a dream that, hey, I'm dead by your neighbors, and under in above my grave there is a pine tree. Make mortar for your rice pastry and for your bean sauce. So the old man did the same, and he just purchased some very expensive intense incense stick, which we call dhupbatti in Hindi, and put it over the grave, and he was crying there. So after he made mortar for his rice pastry and bean sauce, when he turned, and what happened? Gold, gold just felt like it was raining of gold. Then they become very rich again, and then same happens. What they same happens. Which the previous owner did. They asked for the mortar, but what? In place of giving it the gold coins, it gave a foul mass of worms, which means bad smell of a lot of worms. Yes, worms we already know. So yeah, it produces, and they were so angry again that they chopped it and used it firewood. So after they used as firewood, what happened that, and on the same day, the dog again came in the dream of that wealthy and kind owner, previous owner. So what happened that he said that they have burned the mortar, and you collect the ashes and throw them in your cherry trees. So same uh, the thing which the dog told in his dream, he did the same thing, and what happened that his cherry trees bloomed. Everybody in the village came there to see, and they was very amazed. And when the dynamos was passing by, they also saw it, and they feel very respectful that, hey, what a miracle, he has just bloomed cherry without its season for me. And they invited them in palace and reward them with thousands of golds. Yes, same did the wicked neighbor. They collected ashes, they throw in the trees, but rather than forming cherry flowers, it turned to same ashes, and a wind blew, and that went to the dynamo's eyes and nose. Yes, they were so bad. So they were so angry that they said to his bodyguard to kill the old man. So this was all the story about karma. So karma has defined a lot of in the history, and you can find many of the stories. So my dear friend, do good, have good. Whether you can get the results instantly or a long time ago. Till then, bye bye.